Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel.
I'm Kathleen. I'm the twin who's been eating all the sugary carbs lately. Banana bread, cookies, muffins, donuts, you name it. I ate it.
I'm Kim. I'm the twin who's been going through about a bag of granola every 2 days. It's just my favorite breakfast food, snack food, dinner food, just like I'm eating it all the time.
Today we're having ourselves a little dinner party, quarantine style.
What does that even mean, or what does that even look like? Well, we came up with the idea to cook each other dinner. So I'm gonna cook Kathleen dinner.
I'm gonna cook dinner for Kim. Then Kim's gonna come and drop it off at my door, and I'm gonna leave my goodies that I prepared for her on my porch.
Pick up the dinner that she's gonna leave out for me, come back to my house, and then we'll eat our dinners together through a Zoom chat. And I mean, it kind of sounds awkward, but you know, I miss my sister so much, and I just gotta do whatever I gotta do to get my quality time in with her.
So let's get started. I need to start cooking. Okay, so today in Kathleen's kitchen,
I think she's going to cook something that is like a vegan variation of bar food.
we're gonna be cooking up a vegan quiche. I only put vegan in quotes because I was gonna use tofu instead of egg, but I went to the store today and they were completely out of tofu, so I guess I'm gonna have to use eggs. But the quiche is gonna be dairy free and meat free. Preheating the oven to 400. Ooh. Okay. And then we're gonna start making the pie crust. Okay. 1.5 cups of flour, 3/4 teaspoon baking soda, 3/4 teaspoon salt, half of a cup of canola oil, and 1/4 cup of boiling water. Mix it all up until it becomes a doughy ball of goodness. It's not becoming a doughy ball of goodness. Give it some time, give it some time. Keep mixing. Okay, that's kind of sort of a ball, right? Put the ball of dough on a piece of parchment paper. I don't have parchment paper. Should I put flour down? Okay. I don't have a dough roller, so I'm just gonna use a water bottle. You know, we're being inventive. We're being creative in the kitchen. Oh no, it's like sticking to the foil. That's probably why you're supposed to use parchment paper. Now it's time to start cutting up some veggies. So let's see, what do we got? We're gonna do some broccoli, some mushrooms. I'm gonna use the vegan cheddar. Can't be a quiche without bacon. That's not bacon. That's not bacon either. Where's my fake bacon? Oh, there it is. And some smoky maple bacon. Pan's hot, so oh yeah, that sizzle.
Smells pretty good. The smell of cooking onions is always really good to me. Do I think Kathleen is a good cook? Well,
Oop. I don't know, I think there might have been shell in that one.
oh shit. I forgot to add the cheese.
Oh Lord. I swear I'm a pretty good cook.
I think she can follow a recipe.
This is what the quiche is looking like at the 30-minute mark. And that looks done to me, except for the The cheese doesn't really look very melted, but then it's vegan cheese, so sometimes it doesn't really melt that well.
Well, hello, and welcome to Cooking with Kim. Today we're going to be making food on my face.
I think she's gonna make her signature dish, which is her vegan Alfredo pasta, because she's been raving about how good it is and how I need to try it.
Today we're going to be making a Thai salad mixed in with soba noodles and a peanut dressing.
Well, hello. Is this what you came here for? Sit.
So for the salad, I have this coleslaw mix that I got from the store, and I always feel like they put too much green cabbage in there, so I have a little bit of leftover red cabbage that I'm gonna add in, and a couple extra carrots just to make it a little bit more colorful. I'm also gonna dice in some pepper, some mung beans that I have, leftover mung beans here, and then I also have some fresh herbs, so mint. She's gonna like it, she's gonna hate it. She's gonna like it, she's gonna hate it. And basil. I like the addition of the basil and the mint really make the salad taste so fresh. Give it that extra flavor. And that, my friends, is our Thai salad mix. I like it because it tastes so fresh and it's really colorful and crunchy.
Do I think Kim is a good cook? I think she's good at cooking certain foods. Like, she definitely has some signature dishes.
Having myself a little snack break. I decided to make Kathleen this Thai salad with soba noodles because number one, it's like one of my signature recipes. But I decided to make it for her because she has been complaining that she's been eating a lot of junk food, a lot of sweets, a lot of fast food and takeout lately. And she said, you know, her skin's been breaking out and she feels like bloated and blah. So I just wanted to make her something healthy. She may not like it, but it's what she needs. The dressing for this is pretty simple too. About 1/4 cup of soy sauce, maybe just a little bit more. And then same amount, 1/4 cup and a little bit more of peanut butter, which I am running out of. Same amount, 1/4 cup water. To that, I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, some kind of amount of minced garlic. Oh, that might be too much. Yeah, there we go. And we're also gonna juice 2 limes. My handy dandy juicer. No, juice 1 lime. We're juicing 1 lime, you guys. Last but not least, a little spritz of sriracha. A little dash like that, because I know Kathleen doesn't like super spicy food like me. You just put the lid on and give it a nice shake. And there you go. Next, I am making the soba noodles to go in the salad, and they're just noodles, so this is gonna be pretty easy. Okay, so I took a little break, which wasn't really a break because I was baking cookies. And I was baking cookies because apparently we both agreed that we were gonna do a main and a dessert for our dinners tonight, and I just forgot / didn't want to do it. And this whole entire time I have had the tofu pressed between 2 paper towels, so hopefully they're nice and dry because I want them to be super crispy, so I want them to be as dry as possible. but also I'm getting tired and hungry. I don't want to wait any longer, so let's finish off this tofu and then I will be done cooking and I can drive over to my sister's house.
Okay, Kim just stopped by to drop off what she made for me, so
Let's see what she made us! I'm so excited.
first of all, there's some pretty flowers from her garden. That's super nice.
Okay, we have, oh, she made like a truth or dare game that I'm going to assume we're gonna play on our video chat. That's fun.
Let's see. Menu: Thai salad with soba noodles, crispy baked tofu, peanut dressing, oatmeal cookies. Yes, they're vegan. Enjoy. Ooh, okay, so these are the oatmeal cookies. They're still warm. Oh god. Okay, so this is the noodles. What is this? Oh, that's the crispy tofu. Slaw mix and the dressing.
What do you think she made us, babe?
Pie.
Is this dessert? Yeah, this looks like a pie. Oh! Smells good. Oh my goodness.
Oh, come on. Put it up. Yeah.
A quiche. This one's for the dessert. Let's get that out of the way. Something chocolatey.
Hey, isn't that our Tupperware?
We both have this kind of Tupperware. Pyrex. Ooh.
No, that's ours. We're
Vegan.
missing the square.
Oh. Vegan brownies in our own Pyrex.
This is the finished product so far. Got my wine, got my food. It's time to hop on a call with my sis. And yes, I'm eating on my couch. Don't judge me, okay?
Bobby was commenting that the Pyrex dish that your brownies are in is our Pyrex.
No, it's not. It's my Pyrex. It was a gift from Dad.
That's what I said.
What did you guess that I made?
I said you were gonna make us some comfort food.
Yeah, this is kind of comfort food.
Bobby was like, how does she make a vegan quiche? And I was like, well,
Well, you tofu and like blend it up like an egg, but there was no tofu at the store, so you get actual egg.
that's fine.
The brownies are vegan.
So we're filming this the next day because Kathleen and I had, you know, pretty good time on our virtual dinner party. So by the time we finished our call, it was pretty late and we didn't really feel like doing any additional work. So here we are the next day.
I thought Kim's meal was actually really good. It was very healthy, very fresh, and I love Thai basil, so anything with basil in it is just delicious to me. So yeah, it was really good. And it was definitely what I needed because I've been just eating like crap lately. So thanks, Kim, for the healthy meal.
Yeah, actually, yeah, I was surprised by Kathleen making a quiche. That was not like my first guess of what I thought she would be making for me. It was good. It was, you know, like a pretty healthy weeknight dinner. Had lots of vegetables, protein from the eggs. The brownies though, oh my gosh, those were so good. Like, they were so like dense and chocolatey and just like
That's it for today's video, so thank you so much for watching.
I hope you guys are having a good week, hanging in there and getting all the social interactions that you need via Zoom, social media, FaceTime, what have you, whatever.
If you like this video, please be sure to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button just, to give us some encouragement.
We are trying to post new videos every Thursday.
Let us know what you thought of our food in the comments down below. And feel free to share your favorite recipe too if you want.
Whether that's baking some banana bread or healthy salads, pastas, what have you.
We're always looking for great new recipes to try, especially plant-based or vegan recipes.
And if you're interested in seeing what we're up to on a daily basis, please follow us on Instagram. We'll leave our links down below. Thanks again for watching.
We'll see you next week.
Bye!